Good morning. Today I'm going to explain you about one of the attributes in CSS. So till now we have discussed about font attributes, color and background attributes, text attributes, border attributes and margin attributes. So the last and final CSS attribute is list attribute. So there is only one type of attribute. So the type is list style type. So this is what it says. The values are disk, circle, square, decimal, lower Roman, upper Roman, lower alpha, upper alpha, and none. This is just similar to a tag called UL, OL. There's nothing but list. So if I need to keep in an order list or order list, so in CSS we have this type of attribute called list attribute. So if we go through the example, we can have like this. So as I mentioned earlier, whatever it is, whatever the attribute it is, the attribute should be mentioned in style tag. So style type is equals to text slash css. So here I am using a tag called OL. Normally OL means in HTML it is an order list either in a form of capital Roman number, lower Roman number, or in numeric, or either to form in a order. So here I'm listing here the style type is disk. So but disk is nothing but it is an example for an order list. So but I'm mentioning it to be in a order list. Let's see what is going to happen in the output. So this is what it is to be displayed. What the tag which I declared is order list. It should be either 123 ABC or Roman number 123. But what I have used the attribute is disk. The attribute which I have used here is list style type is disk. So automatically the properties will be changed according to the CSS attribute and the output will be displayed like this. So everything will be displayed in a disk format. So this is one of the examples in list attribute that I would like to explain you. So in this chapter there is another topic called DTD. So the full form of DTD is document type definition. So this DTD is started with a line called doc type, and every element is highlighted, or every element is declared with a predefined word called element. So if you see this example on the screen, so doc type document, this is if it is a DTD example, every first line should be like this: doc type document. So if it is mentioning any two elements or one element, if it is a header is one element, body is another element, it should start with a predefined word called element. So the DTD is defined special delimiter angled brackets known as keywords. So here we can observe two characters, either hyphen hyphen or hyphen o. It says that whatever the elements I am taking in the document of a particular variable, here header is a variable, body is a variable, so here title is a variable, authors is a variable, so block is a variable. So whatever I am taking, it is says that it should be a compulsory element, or it O stands for optional or an optional one. So the first, if you see this, the first statement in the DTD is the declaration. So if I declare this, it says that it is a doc type declaration document. So nothing but DTD full form is data type definition. So the element keyword is used to specify the element of the tag that should be present in the document. So here I explained you, here I have mentioned the two characters. So one is hyphen and one is O. Hyphen is mandatory one and O is optional. So there are three rules to specify this DTD. Let us see what are the three rules which need to be declared. So the three rules are name of the element. So next thing is two characters that specifies the minimization rules, and the third thing is the content model. So let us see what are the minimization rules. So it determines the presence of start and end time, and it have two characters, either hyphen or O. O stands for omitted or optional, which is separated by a blank space, and hyphen indicates that tag must be present. So in the above DTD documentation program, we have seen what are the different types of elements we are taking. So let us know the meaning of ampersand. Let us know the meaning of star. What is PC data, and what is the meaning of pipe symbol. So if you go one after the other, it explains us. So the PC data is an element which specifies the parser character data, which specifies the parser character data. And the next thing is, if I mention asterisk symbol in a particular element for a particular variable, so it says that that particular element or a block must appear for 0 or more times in that particular document. And if I mention it is a element is plus, it says that it may occur, it may occur for 0 or more times. And if it is a question mark, if the element is represented with a variable called question mark, it says that the occurrence must be once or no occurrence. And if it is a vertical bar, comma, ampersand, so these are all the different types of declarations we use. So each thing will be having the different meanings. So these are the different types of declarations we use to separate the variables or to maintain a condition for one element to the another element. And similarly, going for the DTD attributes, so if we go for the program ones, so from the first line everything is an element. So second line, if you see this is an element, and if you go for the last element, it is ATT list. So nothing but it is an attribute. So let us see the attribute. What are the DTD attributes? So if you go for the DTD attributes, so these attributes are used to describe the information of particular element. So if we go for the last line of my example, it says that the link, it says the complete meaning, or it describes the information. It should be a character data, not parser character data, and which is a field of required field. So let us see what it says. So if you go for the DTD attribute, the attribute is also containing three different types. Name of the attribute. So from the above example, it says that list is the name of an attribute, and type of an attribute, value or set of possible values, and in that we can specify any one of these three. So required or implied or fixed. What is that? So if a particular attribute is required, it says that a particular variable of a required attribute must be specified, the value must be specified. If it is implied, it says that the value need not be given, and it is fixed, it says that the fixed value should be given. So from the above example, it is required, and it says that the value must be given. So a particular value for a particular variable of a particular attribute, it is required, it says that the value should be specified. So these are the difference between DTD elements and DTD attributes. So each contains three different rules. So the full form of the DTD is data type definition. Hope you have understood the video, and comment after listening this video. Thank you.